In this video, I will show you how you can smoothly start to turn, as you can see over here. You go forward, you can see smoothly we start to turn. That's it. That's what we want to do in this video. Let's see how we can do that. Now for it to actually rotate smoothly, gradually. Let's see how we can do that. First thing first, on this rotation amount, I want to add another pin to here, to this multiplication, and multiply this with word delta second. So get the word delta second. So in each PC, the speed of the player will be the same, right? Now with that, if you run, you can see it's rotating a lot less because we multiply the word delta second with all of these values. That's why we need to increase this value in here to 250. Now let's just test that. We can go left and right, but it's happening so fast that we need to make it more smoother. Right now it's happening too fast and it doesn't look that good, right? So for fixing that, what I want to do, I don't want to use this rotation amount in here. I want to use final rotation amount here, right? But this final rotation amount, we want to gradually increase it. How we can do that? We can use finterp2 again in here as well. The value that you want to change is the final rotation amount. Doesn't matter what is its value. The target value is our rotation amount. The delta time, we can get it. Get word delta second. Beautiful. And interp speed, I want it to be 5 for now. And now with this value, I want to set the final rotation amount just like this. You should always set this to be able to use it. Don't connect it to here directly because we are changing the final rotation amount smoothly to certain value and it needs to be saved so on the next frame it gets close to that final value, right? Now if you go to our level and hit D again, it's happening smoothly and better. Now if I change this interp speed to 0.5, you will see it better. If I hit compile and now run, you can see it will take time to reach the maximum rotation speed. So we have rotation speed. This 250 is the rotation speed. So let's just promote it to a variable and call it rotation speed. That's it. Beautiful. Now if we test it, you can see we can go forward, we can go right and left, but for going left, it's going right. After that it will go left. Why this is happening is because the final rotation amount have some value inside it, and when you change the input from T to A, it will take a little bit time to reach 0, and after that go minus, for example, right? So we need to fix that. Let me make some space like this, and whenever we cancel or complete or release D or A on our keyboard, we need to set the final rotation amount to 0. So just like that, set it to 0. Now if you hit compile and run, you can go forward and now you can see it's working fine. We can smoothly change the final rotation speed to 0, right? But in this case, I don't want to do that. This is more than enough. I don't want to do it like this because it will make the game really harder. When you smoothing things out, the game will be much harder. And for the rotation, it will be smooth again if you just set the final rotation amount to 0 instantly, and it works fine. Now let's just test this one more time. You can see it works fine. But if you want to do it, you can do it, of course. But I think that looks awesome.